Sunset romance mix, global fairy tale. Shilpa Sethi, you stole my hair.
Tatenda Mawaya, Waile soft vibe. Aladdin and Jasmine, but we real life.
Girl, you shine like the Taj in moonlight. Curves divine, touch feels right. Harare heat, your vibe is rare. You got that Bollywood stare. Shilpa better than Ammara Brown. Pokello fade when you come around. Wishes come true when I kiss your lips. Flying carpets and swaying hips.
Ndakakuwana ndiri dzangu. I found you in my dreams. Rudo rwangu, hauna muganhu. Ngatibatsirane kusvika kure. Let's lift each other far. Trace to Bollywood, let's go there.
Nyakutanda, girl, nyakufuna. Baby, you're my crown and I'm your king. You gave my lonely heart a ring. Wanna take your hand, let the choir sing.
We dancing past the hate they bring. I'm flying with you, high in the skies, like Aladdin Jasmine, stars in your eyes. Bollywood dreams, baby, this is proof. With you by my side, I've got nothing to lose.
From Delhi to Durban, New York to Zim, they can't compare, you're more than a gem. I'll win a Trace Award and show the world I got balls and the baddest girl. You my spice, my sweet masala. Your love's hot like Havana. Marry you soon in Harare gardens, with drums and candle stars and pardon. Forget Kim Richards, she old news. You fresher than morning Harare views. Got a vibe they'll never find again. We a fairy tale that'll never end.
Ndiri wako sandisia. I'm yours, don't leave me. Ngatikata musi usinazo. Zokuthanda kuze kube phakade. Ngoba wena ungowami. Because you are mine.
I'm flying with you.
Over every land, trace on my wrist, your name in the sand. Bollywood stage, Grammy in hand. Together we rise like royalty planned.
Why you soft and Shilpa Sethi? Tatenda Mawaya with love so heavy. This ain't just lust, this is legacy. Now dance with me forever free.
From Mumbai lights to Harare nights, girl, I choose you. Flying forever, just us two.